Hey YouTube, thanks for watching this video. And as I mentioned on the XT250, a little bit knobbier tires now. I got as much use as I could stand out of the Trail Wings, and these are Dunlop 606s front and rear, out here in the loose dirt, testing them out, been riding, and I'm really happy. Much less squirrely, and on the street I really didn't notice that much difference. Wasn't going on the freeway or anything, but yeah, you can see they're a lot knobbier than the stock Trail Wings. Actually added a little bungee net in Yamaha blue to the XT250. And oh, I took off the little back front fender. I just didn't know how it was gonna work with the taller Dunlop 606s on there. So I'm gonna put it back on. Some people just take it off and leave it off. Some people put a Serbi's Supermoto fender on. That looks good. And some people just put a bracket and elevate that little back fender. So I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but yeah, I still have the little knobbies on there. Get those worn off pretty quick, but yeah, really happy with the 606s. And that's it for this video. Again, first take, one take for me, and time to get home on a Friday night, hang out. So everyone have a good weekend. Again, thanks for watching my video. Ride safe, everybody.